Hey there, truck drivers. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Benjamin, and I'm the founder of On the Road Accounting. We specialize in helping truck drivers like you keep their finances in check so you can focus on what you do best, keeping America moving. Today, I'm here to talk about something that might seem a little intimidating at first, but I promise it's worth it. Setting up an LLC. If you're a truck driver, this could be one of the most important steps you take to protect your business and your personal assets. Now, I'm not an attorney, but I've helped plenty of truck drivers get their LLCs set up and running. I've got a couple myself, and I'm here to walk you through the basics. This may vary according to your state, of course. So first, all right, what exactly is an LLC? LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. You've probably heard of it. You've probably seen it around. It's a type of business structure that separates your personal assets, like your house or your savings, from your business liabilities. That means if your trucking business runs into legal trouble or debt, your personal assets are protected. For truck drivers, this is a big deal. You're out there on the road every day, and while we hope nothing ever goes wrong, accidents or issues can happen. An LLC can shield your personal assets from being at risk if something does go wrong with your business. Okay, now let's dive into how you actually set up an LLC. I'll break it down into simple steps that you can follow. First, you want to choose a name for your LLC. The first thing you need to do is pick out a name. This name should be unique and represent your trucking business. Maybe something like, On the Road Trucking or something like that. But here's the catch. It can't be a name that's already in use by another business in your state. So make sure to check the availability of your chosen name on your state's website before you get too attached. So you'll have to look up a name lookup tool, and I'll try to put some things in the description. But with 50 states, there's a lot of different places to look. Yeah, so once you've got your name, the next step is to file the Articles of Organization. This is the document that officially registers your LLC with the state. You can usually do this online through your state's website, or you can mail it in if you prefer. You can do it yourself. There's usually a small fee involved, between $50 and $200, depending on your state. Next, you'll want to create an operating agreement. Even if you're the only member of your LLC, this document is important because it outlines how your business will be run. It covers things like who's in charge, how decisions are made, and how profits and losses are handled. This might sound a little complex, but it's worth doing right. You might want to consult an attorney or an accountant to help you get this set up. Okay, so after you do all that, you'll need to apply for an EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. Think of it like a Social Security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account and for tax purposes. And if you ever do hire anybody along the way, you'll need it for that too. The good news, it's free and easy to apply through the IRS website. Finally, it's important to remember that setting up your LLC is just a start. You'll need to maintain it by filing annual reports, keeping accurate records, and maintaining a separate business account. This is where a good bookkeeper, like yours truly, can really come in handy. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a few common mistakes to avoid when setting up and running your LLC. First, don't mix your personal and business finances. It's crucial to keep them separate to maintain that liability protection that I mentioned earlier, which was the whole point of making the LLC. Make sure you're using a dedicated business bank account for all your trucking income and expenses. Another common pitfall is ignoring state requirements. Each state has its own rules for LLCs, including filing deadlines and fees. Missing these can lead to penalties or even the dissolution of your LLC. So stay on top of it. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional help. Whether you're setting up your LLC, managing your books, or preparing for tax season, professionals like myself are here to make sure that everything's done right. We do it all the time. We know the steps, and it lets you focus on your actual business that you're running. So there you have it, a simple guide to setting up an LLC as a truck driver. By taking this step, you're not only protecting yourself, but you're also setting up your business for success. If you're ready to take the plunge and set up your LLC, or if you need help managing your books, feel free to reach out to us at our website that we're going to put the name there across. And we're here to make sure that your life on the road is just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos for more tips on managing your trucking business. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.